Hi guys, Kyle from Dornbusch Machine here. We just picked up a little small hoard of tools the other day. My neighbor Steve is moving, and he asked me if I was interested in taking some tools off of his hand. And of course I was, because tools are great. A lot of these are old and rusty, but I'm going to bring them back to life here. See which ones are salvageable, see which ones aren't, and breathe some new life back into them. Particularly excited about some of these real big wrenches, as those get kind of spendy.